Well, evening everybody. I wanted to do a video too on the Black Amber, Black Amber truck. We got her all put together. Got our finishing touches is all we have left, our mirrors and all. But I wanted to show you it's all lit up and show you how it looks. So we'll go ahead and go from there and let you see what it looks like. We've added all of our lights in the front, as you can tell, once I start lighting it up. We got our running lights on the outside here, both sides. Got our interior lights hooked up, and got our red lights hooked up on there. On our cab, what we did is we added some lights on our cab there for the inside. And what we did is we added a light in the back of the sleeper, so the reading light, and then we added a light. My other video shows more before I put it all together. We added a light down inside the dash. We've added our lights to the back here. We've added lights on both sides of there, as you can see. And then we've added our lights to the cab I already showed you. And we've added our lights to the running part there. And you can see that there. On the back, I'll turn this around so y'all can see it. We've added our tail lights. Then we've added our red lights. As you can see. Then we got both of them lit up in the rear. I'm going to turn this light off here and help y'all out, see what it looks like. Then you got the blue ones that are flashing in there too. Now with the whole truck lit up, as you can see, we have our tail lights in the rear or along the border and in the cab there. Then we have our red lights at the bottom. Let me back this up for y'all. Our Then we got those that bright lights blocks all those other ones off. So and there you have it. Complete kit. All the LEDs lit in place. Yeah, that's a little bit better for you, maybe. And everything's lit up. You got your main ones. The LEDs, they were a challenge because we used 6 different types of LEDs on our kit. But other than that, wasn't that big a challenge. It took a lot of time routing all the lights in place and running them. And I just wanted to show everybody a quick video. All the lights hooked up. And as you can see, everything is hooked up, including your lights on the side. You got your running lights here on the side of the doors, okay? And then you got your then you got all your signals running in the rear. Back here in the back. We got both red and blue. Then you got your lights running down your bars here. Show you what it looks like with the light on. Your bars, all the lights are running there and everything. So then you got your opposite side on here. And everything's going. Thought y'all would like to see how it turned out. The truck is done. We'll put our decals on and our 2 mirrors. If you like this video, and if this is your first time watching it, hit the subscribe button. Be highly appreciated. For those of you who are following my page, I hope you liked it. And it was a fun build. And I really enjoyed it. So I just wanted to share it with everybody. Enjoy, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Have a good evening.